of May, and I think it's the perfect time to show my spring favorites. I'm going to start right away with this Sally Hansen nail polish. It's called In Full Bloom. It is such a pretty color. It has a grayish blue tone to it, and I love painting my nails this for spring. I always top my nails with this cuticle oil since I discovered this the past couple of months. So it's definitely helped keep the cuticles from peeling, and it makes the nail polish last a little bit longer. I use this every night before bed. Now onto skincare, which is my absolute favorite subject. Been loving this Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. Use this underneath any moisturizer. I use it all year long, but what the difference is throughout the seasons I'll change the moisturizer that I use on top. I had the little guy and I loved it so much that I switched to this bigger version. And on top for spring, I'll use this Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I think I said that right. It's a really nice moisturizer for spring and winter as the air is much more humid than in the winter. One of my absolute favorite skincare items that I discovered a year ago is this Malaysia benzoyl peroxide gel and urea moisturizer. This basically has saved my skin from the breakouts that I had. When spring hits, my skin really breaks out, and I figured I'd wait a whole year going through each season before I knew if I really loved this or not, because sometimes your skin responds to an acne product really well, and then suddenly winter hits and it acts crazy, or summer hits and it just doesn't work anymore. This has been, I've been using from I think May last year until May this year, so it's a full year, all 4 seasons. I highly recommend this if you have acne breakouts and also sensitive skin, and you can use them on top of each other. Sometimes in the day I'll use this one first and this one on top, as long as I'm not going out in the sunlight. Overnight I'll wear this one first with a little bit of this on top, and it helps keep my skin from breaking out. It's absolutely outstanding. So I'm going to move on to a body care product, which is the Sol de Janeiro. Here is the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, which I think was their first product that they released. And if anyone goes to, I guess, Sephora and smells it, you basically are intoxicated. It's amazing, and you just want what that smell is. You can get the moisturizer and use that as a perfume, or you can start branching out and purchasing their hair and skin spray perfumes as well. I have this one, the Cheirosa 71, which is smells amazing, and then the Inida, hopefully I said that right. This one is really absolutely outstanding as well. Then I moved on to the Balm Dia Bright Cream, if I said that right, hopefully. This one smells a bit like, I'm gonna say cherry and tobacco. I'm not entirely sure, but it smells so good. So I recommend going to Sephora, checking these out, and getting any of one of them. You won't be disappointed. Speaking of Sephora, I have my 3 favorite gel lip liners from the actual Sephora brand. These are a little bit lower cost than some of the higher brand lip liners. They work so well. I recommend you try them. I first started with the Midday Rosé because it matched my lips so nicely, and I started branching out. These are my 3 favorites for my skin tone. They have a wide range of colors, and I really recommend trying them and checking out which one you like the most. This one is the Nudest, and I'm wearing that right now. It just matches my lip tone really nicely, either one of these, and I can just wear them as a neutral color underneath something else. And today I'm wearing this Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It is in it's a Pro Kisser in Pinch Me. It's very moisturizing, and I definitely recommend this as a combo with any 3 underneath as well. One of my other ultimate favorite beauty products that I use throughout the spring as soon as it gets super sunny out is this Supergoop CC Screen. It's in 50 SPF. They have a wide range of tones as well. They used to just have, I think, 4 tones with the CC cream, but they changed the formula and they have this new formula. This is the older version. Some of us who had purchased this in the past really missed the older version, but there was apparently an ingredient in it that wasn't something that was held up to Supergoop's standards, so they switched to the new version, and they also opened the color range so it's much more broader from the lighter end and the darker end of the spectrum. That being said, It is outstanding at putting a nice base tone for someone like me who has very, very pink skin. It's much more pink without this on, and also protecting from the sun. I absolutely recommend this if you have super sensitive skin, also skin that breaks out very easily. This is a product that I can't probably live without at this point. Moving on to hair, I'm absolutely in love with this Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Primer. It's a heat and UV protectant. I talk about it a lot because I've just fallen in love with it. It's almost gone and I'm going to have to bite the bullet and buy the much larger bottle. It's not cheap, but it does last a long time and it really, really works well. Another product that I love, absolutely love, is this TRESemmé Flawless Curls Mousse. This was an accidental find years ago and I was like, okay, I'll try it, because I was always trying to find something. My hair is wavy, but it's also very frizzy. So this I love just for the base of my hair. It gives some texture, but also I'm still able to move it. It doesn't make my hair stiff, and I'm still able to have a little bit of texture without a big fluffy head of hair. One of my absolute favorite things are snacks, and I kind of changed my taste from winter to spring once that weather gets really humid and warm. Something I really love are these inner peas from Trader Joe's. They're gone. I ate them. Once I open them, I kind of can't control myself and I'll eat the whole thing. So it's perfect for me. Something like this that I can eat the whole thing and not feel super guilty about. My next favorite healthy snack item is this Everything Bagel Seasoning from Aldi. It's not exactly a snack itself, but it helps me be able to eat avocado toast, which I eat almost every day for lunch. I'm the last person in the world to jump on the bandwagon of eating avocado toast because I hate avocados. They taste like green mush to me, and this definitely helped me be able to tolerate the flavor, and I actually love it now. And I'm going to be eating this for lunch after I'm done filming. If you made it this far, then I'm going to show you my nuts. First of all, the containers are from Home Goods. I love Home Goods. These are bamboo containers and they're perfect for anything like cosmetics, but I use them for nuts and snacks. I have raw almonds from Trader Joe's, honeyed peanuts, which are also from Trader Joe's, pumpkin seeds, smoked almonds from Trader Joe's. Last but not least, Brazil nuts, which you eat one a day and you get enough psyllium for the day. If you've made it this far, please put a nut emoji in the comments below, and also give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again in my next video, which should be in about a week. Have a great week, have a great end of May, have a great June. Bye.